Hello, and welcome back. I am so glad you are here today. I want to start by acknowledging something that we often keep to ourselves. It is that subtle moment of hesitation when you step off a curb, or that slight grip of fear when you walk down a flight of stairs. You look down at your feet and wonder, am I steady enough? That fear of falling is very real, and it is the number one worry for many of us as we cross the age of 60. But I have wonderful news for you today. Balance is not something you lose forever. Balance is a skill. Just like learning a language or learning to play an instrument, your body can relearn how to be steady. In the next 15 minutes, we are not going to do a high-intensity workout. Instead, we are going to rebuild the communication lines between your brain and your feet. We are going to turn those wobbly legs into legs that are solid as a rock. Please, make sure you have a sturdy chair in front of you. This chair is your safety partner. I want you to feel completely safe during this session. Are you ready to stand tall? Let's take a deep breath in and let it out. Let's begin. We are going to start by waking up the sensors in your feet. Did you know that the soles of your feet have thousands of nerve endings that tell your brain where the ground is? If your ankles are stiff, your brain is flying blind. So, let's wake them up. Stand behind your chair, holding the backrest lightly with both hands. Stand up tall. Now, slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising up onto your toes. Squeeze your calves at the top, and slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. Let's do that again. Up, hold it for a second, and slowly down. Do not rush this. We are pumping blood back up to your heart. Up and down. Feel the muscles in the back of your lower legs working. These are your brake muscles. If you ever trip forward, these are the muscles that pull you back. Let's do 5 more together. 5. Keep breathing. 4. Shoulders relaxed. 3. Smooth movement. 2 and 1. Hold it at the top for just a moment. Feel that strength and lower down. Great. Shake out your legs a little bit. Now that our feet are awake, we are moving to our first major balance challenge. This is called the flamingo stand. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hold the chair. I want you to shift all your body weight onto your left leg. Imagine that left leg is turning into a concrete pillar. Now, slowly lift your right foot just an inch or 2 off the ground. You don't need to lift it high, just hover it. Keep your eyes fixed on a point on the wall in front of you. Do not look at your feet. Your brain needs the horizon to stabilize you. If you feel your left ankle shaking or wobbling, do not panic. Listen to me closely. That wobbling is good. That is your brain drawing a new map of your body. It is recalibrating. Let the wobble happen. We are going to hold this for 10 more seconds. If you feel confident, try lifting just one hand off the chair, or maybe just use one finger for support. 5, 4, stand tall, 3, 2, and 1. Put that foot down. Excellent work. Very slow. Imagine you are instructing a tightrope walker. Everything has to be slow. Let's switch sides immediately. Shift your weight onto your right leg. Make it strong. Engage your thigh muscle. Now, lift the left foot slightly off the floor. Notice if this side feels different. Is it shakier? Is it stronger? That is normal. We are rarely symmetrical. Breathe deeply into your belly. Tension is the enemy of balance. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Let your leg do the work. Let's hold for another moment. Challenge yourself, but stay safe. 3, 2, 1. And release. March your feet in place for a moment. Left, right, left, right. Get the blood flowing. Moving on. Our next exercise is called the tightrope walk. Usually, we stand with our feet wide apart to feel safe. But to train our balance, we need to narrow our base. Standing next to your chair, I want you to place your right foot directly in front of your left foot, heel to toe, just like you are standing on a tightrope. This feels unstable, doesn't it? That is exactly what we want. Hold on to the chair, squeeze your inner thighs together. Imagine you have a zipper running from your heels all the way up to your belly button. Zip it up tight. This activates your core. Now, stare at that focal point on the wall. I want you to try to let go of the chair for just 1 second, and then grab it again. Let go and grab. Let go and grab. You are teaching your body how to recover. You are teaching your brain that it is okay to be unstable because you can catch yourself. Let's hold this static position for 10 seconds. Silence is okay here. Focus. And relax. Step out of it. Let's do the other side. Left foot in front of the right. Heel touching toe. If this is too difficult, you can stagger your feet slightly so they aren't perfectly in line. Find a level that is challenging but safe for you. Stand tall. Chest open. Squeeze those legs together. Now, try closing your eyes for just a split second. Blink slowly. Notice how much harder it gets? Your vision is a huge part of balance. Hold it here. You are building a resistance against falls right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And step out. Shake it out. You are doing a wonderful job. We are arriving at our final and perhaps most functional exercise. I call this the invisible clock. Most falls happen when we're reaching for something. reaching for a cup or reaching for a railing, we need to train our dynamic balance. Stand on your left leg again. Hold the chair. Imagine you are standing in the center of a giant clock face. 12 o'clock is in front of you, 3 o'clock is to your right, 6 o'clock is behind you. With your right foot, I want you to gently tap 12 o'clock and bring it back to center. Now, tap 3 o'clock out to the side and back to center. Now reach back and tap 6 o'clock and back to center. Here is the secret. Do not put your weight on the moving foot. Imagine you are testing the temperature of a swimming pool. Just a light tap. All your weight stays on the standing leg. Let's do that again. Reach forward to 12, pull back. Reach sideways to 3, pull back. Feel the side of your hip working? That is your glute medius. That muscle protects your hips. Reach back to 6 and return. One last time on this side. Keep your knee soft. Don't lock it. Forward, side, and back. Great. Let's switch legs. Stand firmly on your right leg. We are going to tap with the left. Imagine the clock. 12 o'clock is forward, 9 o'clock is to the side, 6 o'clock is back. Tap forward and home. Tap side and home. Control the movement. Don't let gravity pull you. You are in charge. Tap back and home. If you feel your standing leg getting tired, burning a little bit, that is muscle being built. That is the feeling of progress. Embrace it. Last round. Tap forward, tap side, tap back, and bring it in. Now, take a seat in your chair, or just stand comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel your heartbeat? That is the rhythm of life. You have done something incredibly important for yourself today. Every time you practice these movements, you are buying yourself more independence. You are buying yourself the freedom to walk in the park, to play with your grandchildren, to move through your home without fear. Consistency is key. You don't need a gym. You just need a chair and 15 minutes. Try to do this routine every morning while your coffee is brewing. Open your eyes. Thank you for trusting me with your time today. Drink a glass of water, stay active, and remember, you are stronger than you think. I will see you in the next video.